Consider you have been created a document, okay, and you are not able to edit after a few days. You open the document, but you are not able to edit it, in the sense not able to select or do anything here, okay. Then we have to check which is it in a view format, which is it in a view format or edit format. Okay, to change the mode of the particular document, we have to go to view. Here, go to view, then go to that mode and select the editing. It will be in a view format. Okay, it will be in a view format. Then we have to select a editing. Then it will be, you will be able to edit the document. You will be able to edit the document only if it is in a edit mode. We have to go to view, mode, edit mode. Okay, for example, you would like to only comment, you don't want to do editing, you would like to do a comment on each and every section, then we can go to a suggesting mode, so that wherever you type, okay, it will be entered as a comment. You can observe, you can entered as a comment, it will not be entered as a document. Okay, wherever you type with that mode, okay, it will be entered as a comment, it will be entered as a comment. Okay, so that is a thing about a mode. Okay, always if you are editing, then mode should be in a editing mode. And here also you can observe that which mode it is. It is in a suggesting mode. There, from there also we can change it to a editing mode. Okay, this is about a change of the mode in a view option. The other thing in a view option, for example, if you are not able to see these rulers, these whatever the scales are there, if you are not able to see that one, then we have to go to view and activate that one. Show, if it is not there, means it is not, tick mark is not there on a show rulers. Okay, for that reason it will be there. If your tick mark is there on a show rulers, then those rulers will come, the scaling will be there. For example, if you like to hide this outline, these things if you like to hide, what we can do, we can go to view and turn off this one. In the sense, just click on that, so that it will be hidden. If you like to get it back, again, show document outline. And in a view, if you are selected a show equation toolbar, is nothing but those equations, whichever the equation toolbar previously, only if you are writing an equation, it will be activated, otherwise it will not be activated. Then section breaks, if you like to change that breaks what we have been applied, okay, that one also we can do. And we can use a full screen to check the document how it will be look in a full screen. Okay, like this it will be. Okay, if you come back to the editing mode again, press the escape key, press escape, so that we will be come back to the original. In a view, very important is the show ruler and document outline, make it check mark. And more important thing is a mode, it should be in a editing mode always. If you like to edit, if you give only suggestion, then suggesting mode. If you like to view, just to view the document, then go to the viewing mode. Okay, this is about a view option in a docs.